Hi, I'm John Cohen from Nextlaw, and today we're talking about a no insurance ticket in Ontario and how do I fix this. So this video is based on that very important topic, which is how to help fix your no insurance charges in Ontario. And the video focuses on some key suggestions that may help you with the hefty $5,000 fine you'll be facing in Ontario Provincial Court. So the first thing you should do is you should take our no insurance penalty test at insurance.nextlaw.ca, which will help you get an idea of the penalties you're going to be facing in court. So tip number one, fix the problem. Often clients get charged with no insurance and have a common set of reasons, such as I didn't know my insurance policy was canceled, or my bank account had some issues, so the insurance company couldn't withdraw my payments, or I was just test driving a new car for a short distance. But unfortunately, these reasons do not help your defense of the $5,000 fine in court. The reasons themselves are not a defense. However, there are some actions that you can take that will help with your case when you arrive or by the time you arrive at court. So the number one proactive action you can take is to get your insurance policy activated within the shortest period of time after the charge. This can show the court that even though you may not have been aware of the issue when you got pulled over, you did your best to fix it as soon as you did become aware of the problem. And a common question a justice of the peace will ask in court is, does the client now have a valid insurance policy? Well, nothing makes us as a law firm more happy than to tell them that the client is now actively insured. Of course, it's not a defense, but it shows responsibility, which may help with your submissions in court. Tip number two, get legal advice, but weigh the math of your decision. What I mean by this is the defense for no insurance takes a very tailored legal strategy that can be used by a seasoned law firm. The goal of a defense is to get that $5,000 lowered to something that you can pay over a really long period of time. Ultimately, the ideal outcome is to find a major error with the evidence that can get the charges withdrawn. But if this is not possible, then a reduction in the fine is always a good outcome. And we always tell our potential clients that this decision should come as a simple mathematical equation. What I mean by that is if you believe paying a law firm a fee of X will save you more than X in your case, then you are making a sound investment. So for example, if hiring a law firm for, $800 can potentially save you $2,500 in fines, then you have made a solid decision. Otherwise, you should just deal with the case yourself. That being said, it is always ideal to at least get legal help or legal advice, because a good no insurance law firm knows how to navigate the legal system and achieve the best result for your no insurance case. Bottom line, get a no insurance law firm, assuming it makes financial sense. You have one shot at getting this right, and the difference can be thousands of dollars. Make sure you do everything you can on your end to better your situation, and make sure you get the best legal help, assuming it makes financial sense, so you can walk away from your charges with a solid legal outcome.